Assalamu alaikum. Hello, how are you all everyone? I am Shahjahan Ali. Today I talked Bangkok Airways online check-in system. How to check Bangkok Airways. So this is my YouTube channel. This channel only airlines video uploaded. So subscribe my channel and watch my another video. So at first Google Chrome browser open here, then typing here Bangkok Airways. Bangkok Bangkok Airways, the Bangkok Airways web check-in, web check-in. This typing this letter, then first link is the bangkokair.com, bangkokair.com. So click here this link. This is the Bangkok Air website link. So at first many option this airline showing. So home, start your trip, offer promotion, flight date, special offer, seat, many about contact us. So homepage online check-in option showing two type of check-in system, a PNR number and e-ticket number. PNR number means reservation number or booking number. Last name means surname, surname means last name. So at first booking number typing here, then last name typing here, then charts click here, then your fill up your information, then your seat select, then your boarding pass showing, download your boarding pass, then send your email or print here. Thank you all everyone. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.